The Tampa Hillsborough Expressway Authority is dedicated to keeping our community moving safely and efficiently every single day. That's why THEA is embracing innovative solutions. We're excited to introduce our new partnership with Civil, bringing cutting-edge LiDAR technology to our roadways and, for the first time, directly to our sidewalks and vital pedestrian paths like the Selmon Greenway. LiDAR, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging, uses lasers to create detailed 3D maps of our infrastructure. This isn't just about smooth drives. It's about ensuring every step you take in Tampa Bay is a safe one.
Today, we're looking more and more to the newest and latest technology, like this solution you're seeing today is a big part of that. The more we can invest in this technology, these types of solutions, it allows us to get more of those dollars. That frees up dollars for us to make continual safety improvements, more improvements to our system, more improvements to the expressway, more improvements on technology and solutions that our customers feel every day.